Alright, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are having a great Friday. So this morning I went ahead and captured this beautiful site. And then from there, went ahead and made this quick little video at work for Steven because he's never really used these anchors before. This is only the second time I ever used these anchors, but they're like these little offset anchors. I don't know what they're called. Everyone else probably knows what they're called. But anyways, you just drill your hole, the inside diameter of the little rod. Then you pound it in there, and then you're good to go, and you can screw in some all thread. But moving on from there, went ahead and finished up the plugs this morning on my bad receptacles. So we finished piping in the 3/4 pipe over to the junction box and put in the 2 all thread supports. Yes, I did plan to go straight over these pipes. There was some miscalculation, so I admit that. So I had to do an offset before my 90s. So that was unfortunate, but I got that taken care of. Moving on from there, for lunch, went ahead and got some strawberry cream Frappa with Steven, because he owed me one from yesterday. And then from there, went ahead and did some troubleshooting. As you can see, there is a blank on the left. So I went ahead and demoed out the old receptacle that was dead and troubleshooted that, followed that back down the hallway, which was just a bunch of coil wire sitting in the ceiling. So I went ahead and just cut that back shorter, safed that off, and then labeled it and just blanked it off. And so the wires are sitting up above the ceiling, not down the hallway anymore, and right where it was supposed to be. But anyways, from there, went ahead and got a second Frappa. It was just one of those days. And then from there, we went ahead and cleaned up the laydown for the rest of the day, cleaned up my carts, just spruced everything up, organized some of the shelves, got everything taken care of, and now it looks beautiful. So that was my whole day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys back in the next one. Have a great weekend. God bless. Stay safe. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace.